Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best JBL speaker charger cord is probably one of the most important accessories for your portable speaker, ensuring you never miss a beat. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great JBL speaker charging cord, exploring factors like durability, charging speed, compatibility, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect cord to keep your music playing. Number 5. JBL Xtreme 2 Replacement Charger. Is your JBL speaker running low on power? This charger provides a reliable and safe way to get it back up and running quickly. It's compatible with various JBL models, including the Xtreme 2, Xtreme, and Boombox. No more searching for the right charger. It features a 100-240V AC input and a 19V 3.42A 65W DC output with a 5.5 by 2.5 mm connector. It's designed for efficient and safe charging. This charger includes overload, short circuit, zero voltage, and undervoltage protection. Charge with confidence, knowing it's built to last. We offer a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty. Contact us if you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. It boasts a powerful output and multiple safety features. If you need reliable power and peace of mind, this is the charger for you. The 30-day return policy ensures a risk-free purchase. What people say. Works like new again, and I would recommend it without hesitation. Amazing cable replacement, works as the original. Charged my JBL speaker with no issues. Took the same amount of time to charge as well. Number 4. PowerSource JBL Xtreme Adapter. This adapter is specifically designed for your JBL Xtreme speakers. It delivers 19V and 65W of power for efficient and safe charging. Enjoy the convenience of a 13-foot cord, giving you the flexibility to charge your speaker from a distance. No more struggling with short cords. It's compatible with various JBL models, including Xtreme, Xtreme 2, Boombox, and Boost TV soundbar. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your device. Rest assured, it's UL listed, meaning it meets high safety standards. It also includes multiple protections against common power issues. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty, it's a risk-free purchase. We're a US-based company committed to quality. It provides efficient charging performance, comparable to the original charger. Get back to enjoying your music quickly and safely. What we like. This charger is UL listed for safety and features an extra long cord for convenient placement. If you value safety and a long-lasting product, this is the perfect choice. The 2-year warranty provides additional assurance. What people say. My original charger stopped working, so I needed a replacement. I've had it for a few weeks now and it's still working perfectly. It's a good quality product. Works with our JBL Boombox. Our original charger quit working after less than a year. This cord fit it perfectly and charges it up, so I am ready to go. Number 3. VHBW JBL Speaker Charger. This charger is designed to perfectly replace your old JBL power cord. It's compatible with many JBL models, ensuring a reliable and safe charge every time. It delivers a 65W high-power charge, just like the original. Multiple safety features protect your speaker and provide peace of mind. With an 8.8-foot power cord, it gives you the flexibility to charge your speaker conveniently anywhere indoors. It's made from durable, flame-retardant, and waterproof materials, built to last. This charger has ETL, RoHS, CE, and FCC certifications, guaranteeing its safety and quality. You can use it with confidence. We stand behind our product. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help. What we like. It offers a longer cord and multiple safety features, ensuring both convenience and safety. If you prioritize a longer cord and comprehensive safety features, this charger is ideal. The ETL certification adds an extra layer of trust. What people say. Fit perfectly. Functions well. Charger quality at 100%. Very durable. Charges the speaker in the same amount of time that my old factory JBL cord did. I've had this charger in for a few months now and it is holding up quite nicely, and it really does charge better and faster than the original AC adapter my JBL speaker came with. Number 2. JBL Power Cord Charger. This charger is designed for your JBL Xtreme, Xtreme 2, Boombox, and Fugu XL speakers. It provides a reliable power source for your device, keeping the music going. It features an extra-long 12-foot power cord, giving you the flexibility to place your speaker wherever you want. No more struggling with short cords. This charger is compatible with a wide range of JBL and Fugu speakers. Check the compatibility list to ensure it works with your model. It's UL listed and tested, ensuring safety and reliability. You can trust it to power your speakers safely and efficiently. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 30-day refund and a 24-month exchange warranty. Our US-based customer support team is always ready to help. It has a 19V 3.42A output, 45-65W, and an input voltage range of 110-240V. It's made in Taiwan, ensuring high-quality manufacturing. What we like. This charger stands out with its extra-long 12-foot cord and UL listing for safety. If you need a longer cord and peace of mind, this is a great option. The 24-month exchange warranty provides exceptional value. What people say. It's better than the factory charge cord if you ask me. Has more length too. Worked great for my JBL Gen 1 boombox. As good or better than the factory cord. Great charger and gives you a light to see when it's powering on, not like other that you don't know if they are getting power or not. Great charger, haven't had an issue yet since I got it. Number 1. JBL Fast Charger Cable. It works with many JBL speakers and earphones, including Charge 4, Charge 5, Flip 5, Flip 6, and more. Just make sure your device uses a USB-C charging port. This cable supports fast charging speeds up to 3A. It's compatible with devices that use between 500 mA and 3000 mA, so you'll get a quick charge every time. It uses advanced technology to deliver power efficiently, reducing charging time significantly. Get your devices ready to go in a flash. Multiple safety features are built in, including overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and overheating protection. Your devices are safe with this charger. Hyoscine is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Contact us if you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This charger offers fast charging and broad compatibility with various JBL devices. If you need a fast and versatile charging solution, this is the one. Its multiple safety features ensure a secure charging experience. What people say. Worked perfectly after losing my original cable for my JBL Bluetooth headphones and the cable was longer. I purchased this charging cable for my JBL Flip 5, and it works flawlessly. The Type-C connection fits perfectly, and the charging speed is impressive. It quickly powers up my speakers and earphones without any issues. The cord feels durable and sturdy, so I'm confident it will hold up well over time. I also appreciate the versatility of being compatible with multiple JBL models like the Charge 5 and Flip 6. After losing the cable for our JBL speakers, I was very pleased to come across this charger. It did the job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.